need to do is disconnect your negative battery terminal. Now from inside the truck, we're going to tie off the steering wheel so there's no way it can spin on us. On the driver's side, near your oil dipstick but below your master cylinder for your brakes, you're going to find the pinch bolt for your steering shaft. Remove that pinch bolt. Now typically if you were to follow this steering shaft down, you're going to be able to find the lower pinch bolt as well. You can also get this from underneath the truck. Alright, to get to this lower bolt, I went up and over that lower radiator hose, and then of course I made a little contraption with some swivels. Let's remove that pinch bolt. Before we go ahead and get the steering shaft off of here, just pay quick attention to the orientation of it. Make sure when you put the new one on, it's facing in the same direction. Now from up top, let's go ahead and use a hammer and just kind of give this a couple loving bonks and hopefully break it free. I'm just going to spread the ear on this and give it a couple bonks. There it is, friends. Before we can install our brand new steering shaft, let's make sure we clean down the existing shafts that are still on the vehicle. After you get that cleaned up, go ahead and apply a thin amount of lubricant on there. Okay friends, now it's time to install our brand new intermediate steering shaft. I'm going to start with the lower aspect and put it right onto that steering rack. Alright, now that we have the lower part on, let's put in that little pinch bolt just a little bit and then we'll put in the top. Now that we have that in, let's go ahead and put in the upper one. Okay. Now that the steering shaft's up on there, let's go ahead and start in the bolts. We're going to torque this upper bolt to 35 foot-pounds and the lower bolt to 22 foot-pounds. Let's get our negative battery terminal back on here. Now let's untie our steering wheel, and of course we always suggest to make sure you get yourself a four-wheel alignment anytime you do any type of suspension or steering work.